Have we created the very thing that will destroy us? Look around, our world is changing at a terrifying pace. Forests turn to dust, ancient ice melts into the sea, and the symphony of the wild grows quieter every day. We call this progress, but what if the same intelligence that powers our modern world is also the architect of its downfall? What if artificial intelligence, our greatest creation, is silently fueling this ecological collapse? And what if, in a final, desperate irony, it's also our only hope for a solution? This isn't a distant future, it's our reality, right now. From the servers that hum with unimaginable power, consuming vast amounts of energy, to the algorithms that optimize supply chains for maximum extraction, AI's footprint is everywhere, often hidden in plain sight. We've built a world dependent on efficiency, a world where the bottom line is calculated in code, often at the expense of the natural world. We asked for speed, for growth, for more, and AI delivered, but at what cost? We see the price in the bleached coral reefs, the choke skies over our cities, and the haunting images of the last of a species. But the story doesn't end there. In the heart of the crisis, a new narrative is emerging. The same intelligence that accelerated the problem is now being repurposed to fight it. Imagine satellites, powered by AI, peering down from orbit, not to find resources to exploit, but to track deforestation in real time, pinpointing illegal logging with surgical precision. Drones fly silently over vast, remote landscapes, not for surveillance, but to plant millions of trees in a single day, reforesting areas once thought lost forever. In the depths of our oceans, AI listens. It deciphers the complex calls of whales, helping us understand their migration patterns and protect them from the dangers of shipping lanes. On land, it analyzes millions of camera trap images, identifying and counting wildlife populations faster than any team of humans ever could, giving conservationists the critical data they need to save species on the brink. Sophisticated climate models, running on supercomputers, predict the path of hurricanes and the spread of wildfires, giving us a crucial head start to protect communities and ecosystems. It's a technological marvel, a new arsenal in the war to save our planet. AI is mapping biodiversity, optimizing renewable energy grids, and even designing new materials that could one day replace plastics. Yet, we must tread carefully. This path is fraught with ethical dilemmas. As we grant AI more control over our environment, who is truly in charge? Can an algorithm truly understand the value of an ancient forest or the intricate web of life it supports? There is a profound danger in what some call techno-solutionism, the belief that any problem can be solved with a better piece of technology. By relying on AI to clean up our mess, are we simply treating the symptoms while ignoring the disease? Are we avoiding the difficult conversations about our own consumption, our own values, and our own responsibility? This is the great paradox of our time. We stand at a crossroads, holding a tool of immense power. It can accelerate our descent, or it can help us pull back from the edge. But the choice is not the machine's, the choice is ours. As we turn to AI to solve the climate crisis, we must ask ourselves the most important question of all: are we truly seeking a solution, or are we just outsourcing our conscience to a machine, hoping it will save us from ourselves? The answer will define the future of life on Earth. Thank you for watching.